much for tuning into my channel, KampJogofit, fitness for real women, real bodies. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like to see more content like this. And let's go ahead and start off with our beginner plank jacks. So make sure that your shoulder and elbow are in line with each other, and we're just bringing one leg out at a time and then bringing back in. So all you got to think out, in. That will count as one rep. Let's go ahead and step it up to the advanced version now. We're bringing both legs out at the same time. Don't forget to breathe. Hold that core in. Get it, get it, get it. Now let's go for our mountain climbers. We're just bringing one knee at a time to meet the elbow, then bringing them out. Look at you doing this like a boss. Let's step it up. Let's bring that tempo up a bit. Get it, get it, get it. Don't forget to breathe. Go ahead and repeat. Thanks so much for watching. I'm doing this with my KampJogofit Hip Bands. The link will be in the description if you would like to purchase. Have a great day.